Electric cars are built in advanced factories using highly automated technology. The process begins with raw materials and vehicle components. These materials are moved to the production line. Powerful presses shape the metal into body parts. Robots weld the panels together to create the vehicle structure. Automated welding ensures strong and precise joints. The unfinished car bodies move along the production line. Engineers inspect the frames to ensure quality.
This joint looks solid, no defects.
Agreed. The next frame is clear.
The suspension and wheel systems are added next. The vehicles continue moving through different assembly stages. Advanced paint robots coat the vehicles with protective paint. Heat dries the paint to create a flawless finish. Every painted surface is checked carefully. Electric motors are installed to power the vehicle. Battery packs are built to store energy for the car.
The battery pack is placed into the vehicle base, securing the connections now.
Complex wiring systems connect all electronic components.
Confirming connection to control module. Connection stable. Moving to next bundle.
Precision automation ensures every connection is secure.
Sequence complete.
Interior systems and displays are installed. The vehicle interior is carefully completed. Exterior components are added to finish the car. Each vehicle undergoes strict quality inspection.
Brake sensors are clear. Moving to alignment. Alignment is optimal. No deviations. Check tire pressure next. Pressures are stable at 35.
Performance tests ensure the car operates perfectly. The completed cars are prepared for delivery.
Initiating final checks. Confirmed. Systems are green. Ready for transport.
Finally, the electric cars are shipped to customers around the world.